Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Suno AI songs copyright free. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So basically I'm on the help section of Suno AI. So to generate the copyright free music, you need to start making tracks with Suno to use as copyright free music. So simply sign up to their website. As you can see, I'm signed up. Click on the create tab here and then start creating your song. Now you want to first off build the prompt. Start by describing the sound you want to make with the general mood. Define the emotional direction using words like warm, energetic, or airy. Then add musical direction. So you want to specify instruments, pace and groove, song structure, or moments such as builds, drops, and transitions. Be sure to explain what you want the lyrics to be about, or write some lyrics of your own. When you're ready, hit create. Now each prompt produces two distinct versions. So I've created a song here and it's given me it's actually given me four versions. So I've given it, if I go to simple, I'll put in a song description, and with advanced I'll put in a style. And also if I come down here, I've chosen my voice gender, and I'm using this model here. So I'm using the newest, most creative model. May generate content that some find offensive. Now you want to describe what you want your song to be about. Then once you've created, it's going to come over here and create the song. Then you can play it, and then from here you can download it. And once you've downloaded it, you can upload it to YouTube to be copyright free. But things you want to avoid, you don't want to put in a song like a prompt sound, or give me a song like Drake or one of your favorite songs and try and copy or replicate that, because that won't be copyright free. So this needs to be all genuine, different, and yeah, needs to stand out, and no one needs to have the same like style and lyrics, etc.